Welcome to Features and Use Cases of React Natives. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the key features of React Native and determine suitable use cases for apps developed using React Native. With React Native, writers only need to write code once, and it can be used on both iOS and Android. This ability to work on multiple platforms saves time and money because you don't have to keep up with different code bases for each one. The framework uses native components, so the app works well on both devices and feels like a real native app. Hot reloading is one of the best things about React Native. When writers make changes to their code, they can see them right away in the app without having to restart it. This makes the development process go much faster because it gives instant feedback and reduces the time needed for bug fixes. React Native is based on the idea of components that can be used again and again. When developers create flexible parts that can be used in different parts of the app, the code is easier to organize and keep up to date. This also makes it easier to make the user experience good. There are many apps and tools for React Native that can be used to make it do more. If you need help with navigation, managing states, or creating your own UI parts, there's probably a tool that can help. The community is very helpful, and many third-party libraries are updated and kept up to date on a daily basis. Native code can be integrated with React Native. This means that you can use Swift, Objective-C, or Java native libraries to call platform-specific features or make the app run faster. Because it is so flexible, you are not bound by what JavaScript can do. Lazy loading is one of the speed optimization techniques that React Native offers that can help make an app run faster. Performance is also better than with web-based options because native components are used. When building user interfaces with React Native, a declarative style is used. This makes the code more predictable and easier to fix. Developers don't have to say how to make a UI. They can just say what it should look like, and React Native will get it done. Let's now take a look at some of the use cases for mobile apps built using React Native. Due to its cross-platform capabilities and fast speed, React Native is a great choice for making social media apps. Social media sites like Facebook and Instagram are great examples of how React Native can be used. These apps need to be very interactive and have a smooth user experience, which React Native gives them. React Native's ability to make the experience the same on all devices is very helpful for e-commerce apps. React Native is used by Shopify and Walmart to make their mobile apps. React Native's reusable components and third-party tools make it easy to add features like product listings, user accounts, and payment gateways. Messaging apps need to be able to communicate in real time and give users a smooth experience. Hot reloading and speed optimization in React Native make it perfect for making messaging apps. As an example of a messaging app made with React Native, Skype shows that it can handle complex real-time exchanges. Other examples include the messaging and VoIP app Discord. Fitness and health apps that need to connect to a lot of different sensors and gadgets can use React Native. Because the framework can work with native code, developers can use features that are only available on certain devices, such as GPS, accelerometers, and health data APIs. The Fitbit app and the Health Connect app are two examples. Location services, booking systems, and user reviews are all things that travel apps need to have. Because React Native has a rich environment, it's easy for developers to add these features. React Native is used by apps like Airbnb and Uber Eats because it works well on multiple platforms. Educational apps often have interactive parts, such as quizzes, video lessons, and comments that you can see right away. Declarative UI and a structure built on components in React Native make it easier to create interactive elements like these. The Duolingo app is a great example of how React Native can be used to make learning easy. Entertainment apps like music and video streaming services need a design that is robust and easy to use. React Native can handle complicated animations and smooth changes, which makes it a good choice for these apps. Netflix used React Native to make their app run faster and give users a better experience, and Spotify also started using React Native in 2020. For finance and banking apps, security and speed are very important. React Native, lets you safely combine native code with sensitive tasks while keeping the user experience smooth. React Native is used by mobile banking apps from Chase and Bank of America to make sure that banking services are effective and safe, and other financial apps such as Bloomberg. React Native is a flexible and powerful tool for making many types of mobile apps. It works on multiple platforms, improves speed, and has a large ecosystem that gives developers all the tools they need to quickly make high-quality apps. React Native gives you the freedom and speed to give your users a great experience, whether you're making a chat service, a social media platform, or an e-commerce app. React Native is still one of the best ways to make mobile apps because it is getting more popular and is continually improving. In this video, you learned that React Native works across multiple platforms using a single codebase, which can save time and money. The hot reloading feature means developers see code changes immediately without having to restart the app. Reusable components make it easy to organize code and keep apps up to date. Native code can be integrated with React Native. React Native uses a declarative style to build user interfaces to make code more predictable and easier to fix. And use cases for mobile apps developed using React Native include social media, e-commerce, messaging, fitness, travel, education, entertainment, and banking.